What's going on, everybody? It's Spicy Topic, and Nature Boy came back on his panel on Bigo today, and I caught this video clip from YouTube. Actually, Nature Boy told us that he had 50 diseases, us as in whoever was listening, right? 50 STDs before, and that he would take penicillin every week because he was getting burns, and he know what burn feels like, and he does not have anything. So how do you get to this video we about to show, where he's confronted by a caller who wants to talk about STDs and try to tell this crazy guy that they are transmittable? So the point I'm making is he just said that, right? He just acknowledged he had transmittable STDs, of which he was taking penicillin to get rid of, not thinking it away. He took medicine for it. So these callers need to remember the things that this guy be saying and just throw it back at him directly like that.
Disease is all mental. It's all mental.
Okay, but what happens when the diseases that we're saying are all mental? They obviously, anything that you receive is an outward reflection after a while. So if that's the case, then is it not really all just mental? Because mental and physical are two different aspects. You can't really ignore the physical without acknowledging the mental, and vice versa.
You can see on his face that he looks embarrassed in his shame. I don't know. It's something that we don't know. I don't know if Malia, Tanisha, whatever her name is at this point, actually came out and told him that she has an STD. This dude looking on his face like he found out he's burning. It just looks to me like he's embarrassed, scratching his head. He's looking for something to say. You can tell he wants to swallow right now, but he's holding it. Okay, because he does not want the people, he does not want us, his naysayers, his haters, to see that he is very uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable.
The physical is the mental. All is mental.
Okay. So somebody were to, let's say you have somebody who is just as knowledgeable as everyone else, but they take the second step of, hey, I want to expound on my knowledge. I want to go ahead and factor in all of my knowledge, become an expert. And I tell you, hey, I know those herbs that you got going on. I know everything that you know, but I am also certified to tell you that you got gonorrhea. Are you going to ignore me, even though I'm on the same frequency as you? I'm just higher leveled in the fact that I'm certified in it.
What is gonorrhea?
It's an STD.
What is an STD?
Sexually transmitted disease. You're having sex with yourself. There it
is. Okay, so you can't transmit a disease.
This is one thing that I don't know about you, but I don't like a person that don't have a degree, did not study disease, did not actually have a microscope, did not actually put an microorganism into like a, I don't know what you call it, an incubator or something where they can grow the bacteria and they can actually scope out virus and see how they work, see the parasites. This dude don't have no type of education. He's not a chemist. He's not a scientist. He does not know what he's talking about. And for these, like most people that look at him are women, again, because they are only attracted to him. But he really portrays this all-knowing type of image. Dude don't know anything. I don't even know if he graduated from high school. So don't be deceived. That's that talk. I think they all practice Dr. Sebi, and you know what's real odd and peculiar? Not all, but most of the people that really study Dr. Sebi, they got something wrong with them. They got something wrong with them that they're trying to cure.
I don't know.
Can you transmit an ease?
You said in one of your lives. I'm asking
you a simple question. I'm asking you, can I transfer you an ease?
Yes, you can. Because in one of your lives.
How do I transfer you an ease?
In one of your lives, you said the reason why we are breaking out is because of everything going on outside that's manifested inside.
At this point, you can see in his face that he is real insecure right now. Look at him. Look at him slumped. He just looks insecure. Look at his eyes. Did they do that to that baby? Wonder, huh? As far as transmitting a disease, come on, we are smart enough than that. We know that these diseases, we know that they are real microorganisms, parasites. They have real life in them, or harmful foreign things that actually float in either blood, funguses that grow in funk, like dirt, filth, growths. All this stuff is bacterial, and they can be transmitted. Of course they can, because that's why you, Nature Boy, said not too long ago that you had like 50 STDs and that you got penicillin every week.